Hi, Cody. Can you tell us your name, current position, and where you live in the world?
My name is Cody. Right now, I'm the general manager for Ansell Xiamen plant, and I live in Xiamen, Fujian province, China.
Tell us your Ansell story.
I joined Ansell 7 years ago at the beginning as a manufacturing manager for garment sewing division. 2.5 years ago, I was promoted to general manager as a Ansell Xiamen plant to in charge of the whole plant operation.
What is your favorite part of your job?
I can say plant talk with our customer, including end user and distribution, and also to do paperwork with the team.
Okay then, what is your favorite Ansell product?
I'll say for all, I really prefer for the cover, especially for a high-end chemical product.
Cody, how does your role help Ansell achieve its vision of leading the world to a safer future?
It's our ambition, so net zero, right? As a plant GM, I will lead all the Xiamen team to achieve all the ESG target top down from Ansell group.
That's great. Thank you, Cody, for your contribution.